If we graph all of the points whose distance from the origin is equal to 5, what shape would we have? The origin is the point right here at 0, 0. So a point whose distance from the origin is equal to 5 would be a point maybe over here at 5, 0. We could also have another point up here at 0, 5. We could have another one over here at -5, 0. And we could have another one down here at 0, -5. But that kind of leads us to feel as though maybe this would be some type of square or diamond shape. But the issue here arises that any point on this square or diamond shape would not be a distance of 5 from the origin 0, 0, because this distance here is a lot shorter if we were to turn it than this distance here. See how that's definitely not a distance of 5. So I wonder if there would be a better way to estimate more points than just these 4 whose distance from the origin is equal to 5. So what I have done here is I have found some of those specific points whose distance from the origin is 5. And now if we connect the dots of their segment endpoints, we can imagine what shape is created. And of course, this is not going to be exact. This is just an approximation. But we can see here that a circle is created, and a circle that has a radius of 5 is what is created, because every single one of these segments would have a distance of 5. So it would be a distance of 5 from the center to each point on the circle. So anywhere that we would draw a segment from the center to the point on the circle would have to be a distance of 5, no matter where we put that point. So in response to the question, what shape would we have? We would have a circle.